Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to have a Boxy charm unboxing. This is my first Boxy charm. I never ever had a Boxy charm box before, and I decided to subscribe to them and get my first box today, and I'm super excited to unbox it with you guys and try out all the products with you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and yeah, let's get started with this Boxy charm unboxing. Okay, so let's get started with the unboxing. I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. It's just the air conditioning is right behind, so I'm so sorry about the sound. But let's get started with the Boxy charm unboxing. This is absolutely never ever had a Boxy charm. This is my first time ever purchasing a Boxy charm. I used to be subscribed to the Ipsy one, but then I felt like it wasn't worth it for the makeup and the sample size products they were giving me. I feel like it wasn't worth it at all. So now I went to a Boxy charm and I am loving it. I definitely love that I love the fact that they put full size products in here. Like, that is my main thing that I want, because if I'm gonna pay for a subscription, I definitely want at least something full size. Not everything has to be full size, but I do love a full size product at least. So one thing about them is that they do that, which is awesome. So I'm super excited to open up my first box with you guys. I know you guys see me a little bit different. I don't have no eye makeup because I know for a fact that there is an eyeshadow palette inside. So that's why I did my foundation. But yeah, this is the box right here. And then we have the little pamphlet that tells you everything and how much everything is worth, which is awesome. Which I love it. I love this picture with Kathleen Likes. I love Kathleen Likes. I watch all her videos. So yeah, this is awesome. So they gave me a Alamad palette, some lashes, the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, 3-piece flawless complexion brushes, a waterproof eyeliner pencil, and a long-lasting liquid lip from Ofra, which is awesome. Can't wait to try it. So first thing is the lashes. I love lashes. Oh, these are so beautiful. I cannot wait to try these out. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. And then next we have the brushes, the liquid lip, the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Now you guys, if you guys saw my June favorites, you guys know that I am obsessed with this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I lather my body with this cream because it's so good. So I absolutely love that. And then we have the Alamad eyeshadow palette. I am super excited to see this palette. I saw so many videos with this palette. I was like, beautiful. Oh yes, I love it. I cannot wait to put this on my eyes. I cannot wait. And then the last thing is the eyeliner. I think this is like a gray or a black. Oh, it's charcoal. So it's like a grayish, blackish type of color. I don't think I'm going to use this on my eyes today, but I will use it in another video. So let's get started with the eyes, because I'm super excited to try out the eyeshadow palette. I cannot wait to try this out. But since it doesn't have much of a transition shade or setting powder, I'm going to go in with my banana powder here and set my eyes. So I'm going to go in with one of these brushes here. Do it with this brush. I'll take this brush. This is the Precision foundation brush. I never use brushes like this for my foundation, so I'm just gonna set my eyes with this banana powder. Let's see, because I want my shadows to look very vibrant, so I definitely want to set it. Okay, love, so I am back. I finished up my eye makeup. I'm telling you guys, I am absolutely obsessed with this palette. This palette is beautiful. I love all the colors. Everything blended out so beautiful. If you haven't picked up this palette, I definitely recommend it. It's so, so good. I definitely love it. I'm going to be using it all summer long. I absolutely love it. And the brushes I also love. I did use one of them to set my eyes underneath. It was awesome. They are super soft, super nice. I absolutely love it. So next I'm gonna go in with the Ofra lipstick in Verona, I think it is. So I'm gonna go in with this shade and put it all over my lips and see how beautiful it is. This lip is awesome. I definitely love it. It's super creamy and I love the way it looks. I don't think it goes well with the eye makeup that I chose to do today, but I definitely love the shade. It's very nice. It's very creamy, very easy to apply to the lips. So I absolutely love the lippy. I haven't tried out the eyeliner because I didn't go with my eyes today, but I will definitely try it out in another video. And also for the lashes, I did not put them on because I do not have lash glue. What are the odds when I get nice lashes I can't put them on because I don't know where my lash glue is, but I will try it out in another video. So I hope you guys all enjoyed my unboxing. I definitely love BoxyCharm. I will definitely continue the subscription for BoxyCharm because I absolutely love it. I love all the products that they put in my box. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.